Hello guys, today I'm back with another video. Today we are gonna review a tech product which is a motherboard, a MSI motherboard. This motherboard is MSI MPG X570 Gaming Pro Carbon Wi-Fi motherboard. So let's start. So here is the box in front of me. So there is the MSI logo, and here is the name of the motherboard, which is MPG X570 Gaming Pro Carbon Wi-Fi, and here is written Ryzen AMD. This is made for 3rd gen Ryzen processors. So down we can see here we have the name of the motherboard, we have MSI written and Ryzen written, and then in the side we have some things written in Chinese and the motherboard's name. Then we have this side, we have the motherboard's name, and this is the same as the first side, and this is also the same as the left side. And the back side is all the features. There you have lighting Gen 4 PCI, then Wi-Fi 6, then you have RGB lighting, then you have M.2 slots and all the ports that you can access through this motherboard. So now let's get in the box. So when you open the box, let's open the box and see what's inside. So here at first, of course, you will see the motherboard. Let's just take out the motherboard from the box and keep it aside. And you have a cover, a cardboard cover. Let's keep it aside. Then you have MSI gaming sticker. Of course, there's a difference between MSI gaming and the original MSI stickers. And here you have the driver CD, and you have just a small magazine type thing of MSI all gaming products. Then you have a thank you letter for choosing a MSI product. Then we have the SATA cables labels. Then we have some instruction manuals, we have installation guides, a warranty card, and other documents. Down we have a instructional book for how to set up the PC with MSI motherboard. Now let's skip these things on the side and let's see the cables. Okay, I'm just keeping this aside. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now here we have this cable, motherboard cable. Then we have M.2 screws. We have M.2 screws. We have this to connect with the. So here is the motherboard in its package in front of me. So let's open the package. I'm opening it very carefully so it doesn't damage the motherboard. So we have opened motherboard, and here it is, my friends. Here is the motherboard. So let's go in depth into the motherboard. So here is the motherboard in front of me. Let me just flip it so it's easy to see. So here you can see the processor holder. Here is a small fan which cools down the M.2, and here is the M.2 slot, and here is down is another M.2 which is covered by M.2 shield, and here is a battery, and here are some RGB lightings, and here you can see there are 4 RAM slots for this. This is a DDR4 RAM slot, so you can put like 32 GBs on this. And I am building a PC and which will contain 16 GBs of RAM. And here are some other things like processor case, and then there are many other things in this motherboard. So now let's see the ports of this motherboard which you can access through this motherboard. So now let's see the ports which you can access. So here is all the ports. Here you have a very old type mouse and keyboard port. Here are USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports. Total there are 3 USB 3.0 ports and 3 USB 2.0 ports, and there is one HDMI port, and here are some mic and speaker ports. Here is LAN ports, and here is for the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antenna for this. And these are all the ports that you can access through this motherboard. So guys, now let's just talk about some external things about this motherboard. So let's first talk about the price of this motherboard. The price of this motherboard is 28,000 BDT. The conversion rate will be given the conversion rate towards USD will be given in the description below, and I will also give a link to this product where you can buy, Amazon link, and a link where you can buy it from Bangladesh very quickly, so you guys don't need to find it anywhere. And the best thing about this motherboard is it comes with its own Wi-Fi antenna, and you can connect with this motherboard with any Bluetooth devices, wirelessly. You don't need a Bluetooth adapter to connect with a Bluetooth device. So by telling this, I am finishing my video here. Stay safe, stay at home, and if you like this video, like this video, comment on this video, and share this with your friends so your friends can know how good this motherboard is. And if you are not a subscriber of our channel, please subscribe our channel. Our next video will be on the Ryzen 3700X processor. Thank you, stay safe, stay home, bye bye.